What's happening, guys? Welcome to Stupid Drifts. This is my BMW E46. We've spent the off-season rebuilding the engine. It's fully refreshed, ACL bearings, ARP studs, etc. We'll give you a run through that at some point. It is a kind of quite well spec'd off drift car. It's not pro spec by any means, but it's getting there. We're up here at Driftland for the next 2 days doing a bit of testing, a wee bit of a shakedown on it, try and burn off some tyres, have a laugh with the lads before we send it on to competition. So we'll strap you on board and take you out a few runs. Right, that's us just back in for the first 2 or 3 runs. So we're going to up the stands, we're going to give it a spanner check all the levels, change the tyres over. We're getting maybe 3-4 laps out a set of tyres, so it's going to be an expensive 2 days. So we'll get it set, checked over, and then we'll get his back out and we'll go and send it again. Dipstick next to a manifold. Stupid. Beautiful.
Sometimes you just got to lick the stamp and send it. So.
What was that?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So that's the end of day 2, guys. Car's running pretty well, running a wee bit hot. That's the only thing that we need to address. Probably try and stick another fan in the front of the coolers. Went through 7 sets of tyres. I also got a set of semi-slicks to try out, and they're absolutely wild. They're game changing, so I might try and see if we can get another few sets of them. So overall, the actual engine itself seemed to run pretty good. Pretty much just had to fling tyres and feel at it. I say, bar the heating issues that we had with it, which is kind of to be expected to have fire V8 with a massive turbo in the engine bay. So we'll get it back home, we'll get it spanner checked, get the oil dropped out, go through all the levels and stuff, and get it refreshed and get it ready to go back out again. I'm not sure what competitions we'll be running on it this year. Drift League's coming up in 5 weeks, I think it is, so we might go for a round to Drift League at Driftland. If that's the case, you'll see us back here.